How to install Roblox on Ubuntu. So first, you're gonna need to install flatpak. So simply type in flatpak Ubuntu or Ubuntu quick setup flatpak, and you're gonna get to this webpage. So from here, just copy these commands into your terminal. So let's open up the terminal the way that you would copy them. And you can't do Control V like you do in Windows. You need to actually do Control Shift V. So let's press that, type in your password. Now let's copy the other command, paste it, enter, press Y, enter. And now let's head over to the last command, paste it, enter. So let's restart the computer real quick. Now that we restarted the computer, I'm gonna click install apps and let's search for Sober. Let's click on it. Let's click install, open software. Oh, there it is. Let's click install. Okay, now that it's done, let's go to show apps. Let's click Sober. Let's continue. Choose your settings if you want to. I'm just gonna go with the default settings. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.